Ciao! Today we will learn some more important Italian words that are used in our daily life. Okay? Tra poco, soon. Other we say tra mean between, poco mean short. It's mean short time. Tra poco, soon. Tra un'ora, in an hour. In 1 hour. Tra mean between, one, ora or in an hour. Tra una settimana. In English, we say settimana, we say week. Tra mean between, una mean one, in 1 week. Or in a week. Okay. Tra un mese. Mese mean month. In a month. Okay. Tra un anno. In Italian, we say anno to year. Anno mean year. Tra un anno in a year or in 1 year. In a year. Okay. Domani. Domani mean tomorrow. Okay. Dopodomani, the day after tomorrow. After tomorrow. Okay. Ieri, yesterday. Okay. Settimana prossima. Prossima mean next. Settimana mean week. Next week. Il mese prossimo. Prossimo mean next. Il mese month, next month. Okay. L'anno prossimo. As we know previously, prossimo mean next. Anno mean year. Next year. Let's repeat. Tra poco, soon. Tra un'ora, in an hour. Tra un settimana, in a week. Tra un mese, in a month. Tra un anno, in a year. Domani, tomorrow. Dopodomani, the day after tomorrow. Ieri, yesterday. Settimana prossima, next week. Il mese prossimo, next month. L'anno prossimo, next year. If you want to learn Italian, please follow and subscribe my channel. Ciao!